Hello everyone, in Google Sheets I'm going to show you how to zoom in because I couldn't work out how to do it. So usually I would press Control on my keyboard and then scroll on my mouse and it'd zoom in, but it does nothing. But the way to do it is this. Here is the zoom function. It's along this kind of toolbar along here. It's currently at 100%, and by the way, this doesn't matter if you're in Edge, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, whatever you're using. I'm currently in Edge, but if I show you in Chrome, there you go, Chrome, there's still the button there as well. It says zoom button. So going back to Edge, it's currently at 100%. There you go, 150, it's zoomed in. It's as easy as that. I feel a bit silly actually because I should have worked out how to do it easier. But yes, that is how you can do it. An alternative way, and not the best way of doing it, but an alternative way is top right. This is certainly the case in Edge. Top right, we have the three dots. You can also zoom in the page as well, but that's not the best way of doing it. You just want to be zooming in the actual spreadsheet. So once again, 100% zoom. Here, click on that, 125%, 150%. There you go. Hopefully you found this video useful. If so, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more top tech tips.